Let's do this question using Desmos. So this is a word problem. So you have to make equations first, okay? Inequalities actually. So it is a small business owner budgets $2,200 to purchase candles. So this is his budget. So you can't go above this, all right? The owner must purchase a minimum of 200 candles to maintain the discounted price. You can't go below this, okay? 200 is the minimum, so it should be greater than or equal to 200, and this should be 2200 should be less than or equal to 2200 because you can't go above this. This is your budget and this is minimum candle, so it should be greater than or equal to 200 candles. Okay, if the owner pays $4.9 per candle to purchase small candles and $11.6 per candle to purchase large candles, what's the maximum number of large candles the owner can purchase to stay within the budget and maintain the discounted price? So you need to find out the maximum number of large candles, okay? Large candles, all right? Okay, so what we have, the budget is 2200, so it should be less than or equal to 2200, and the number of candles should be greater than or equal to 200. So let's take small x and large candles y. So the sum of x and y should be greater than or equal to 200, and small candle is for $4.9, so it will be 4.9x, and the large candle is $11.6, so it's 11.6 y. All right, let's plug these equations into the Desmos calculator. Okay, so we have 4.9x plus 11.6 y, that is less than equal to 2200. That's our inequality. Okay, here it is. All right, now the second equation is x plus y is x plus y is greater than equal to, okay, greater than equal to 200. All right, so this is our intersections. Okay, this is the first intersection where you buy 200 small candles because x is small ones and 0 large candles. That's not our solution. We are required to find out what maximum number of large candles. Okay, so maximum number of large candles means we have to find out where y is maximum. Okay, so this is the other intersection. This above is the only y-intercept of red line. Okay, that's not the intersection of these two inequalities, so we will stick to this. So if you buy 17.9, like 17 small, and 182.0, like 182 large candles, that's one solution. Okay, so we have to go for the maximum large candle, so it means we can buy 182 maximum large candles. So the answer is 182, right?